afternoon, everyone. I am very sorry for the delay, and I regret to tell you that I have some real bad news. Bad news for the other talent agencies. Dahil pag nakita nyo ang lineup ng models ng Ecomoda, sigurado ako, hindi na kayo kukuha sa iba. If a face could launch 1,000 ships, then these faces could launch 1,000 products. So here they are. The models of Ecomoda, the Ecomodels.
Armando, mahal na mahal kita. Ikaw lang ang una at huling lalakang mamahalin ko. I love you.
Okay ka na ba? Okay, good.
Okay, you're sorry, Dad. Nasa States.
No. I prefer Paris.
Oh, sorry.
panalo ka kanina, ha?
Salamat.
Aren't you needed at the reception?
Binigay ko lang po.
Go. Oh, Enrique, could you excuse us for a while?
Sure.
All right, you did a good job. Okay. Drake, I just talked to a client. Interesado siya sa'yo.
Talaga po?
Yes, and he wants to meet you tonight. Are you available for a dinner with a client?
Wow! Sige, Sir Hugo. Salamat.
Okay, relax. I'll call you. Or you may call me.
Sige po.
All right.
Ikaw, sinabi mo sa akin, ilihim ko yung nararamdaman mo sa boss mo. Tapos, ibo-broadcast mo rin pala sa lahat.
Hindi ko naman sinasadya, Rosie.
Hindi mo sinasadya. O, so paano nangyari yun?
Mahabang kwento. Huwag na lang.
O, paano mo ipabawiin yung sinabi mo sa video?